In this video, we are starting right at the beginning and answering the question, what is trading? Simply put, trading is a term used to describe the buying and selling of different financial assets in any financial market. There are different financial markets that you can trade, such as the stock market, the foreign exchange market, there's options, there's futures, and there's cryptocurrencies. I'm going to go into more detail on each of these markets in my upcoming videos, so make sure that you are subscribed below so that you receive notifications as those videos are released. How does trading work? Generally, trading involves the ability to predict the movement of a financial asset. Let's just use the example X. The general concept is that if you think X will increase in value, then you will buy X. You will wait for the value of X to go up, and then you will sell X at a higher price, meaning that you will make a profit from the difference. This is also known as going long. So how do we know when to buy? Well, this is the golden question that every trader asks. And there is no absolute secret in knowing when is the right time to buy. There's no holy grail, and it's very unlikely that you are going to be right 100% of the time when you're trading. However, to help determine when may be a good time to buy in anticipation of the rise in an asset's value, traders use a combination of what is known as technical analysis, which is where you analyze charting data, and fundamental analysis, which involves examining related economic facts and news. Combining these two forms of analysis together with risk management, traders put together what's called a trade plan or a strategy, which will enable them to trade the financial market effectively, giving them a higher win rate percentage, so that they will win more than they lose and make them profitable in the long run. Trading can often be confused with investing, whereby investors look for long-term gains by holding an asset. However, traders capitalize on the short-term trends and hold an asset for a shorter period of time. Trading has become much more accessible now, as it's generally very easy to set up an online account with a broker and get trading straight away from your home. In the next video in the series, I'm going to talk with you a little bit more about the stock market and in particular what it involves trading stocks. Until then, if you've enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and if you're not already subscribed, do click the subscribe button below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.